Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to use perfect face ratio on Instagram on iPhone. Open up Instagram and tap on your story to add a story, and instead of tapping the camera button to start recording, swipe all the way until you reach Browse Effects. And then search for perfect face ratio. And then tap on the effect. Tap on the bookmark icon to save it, and then tap Try It. And then you can start recording. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!